video, I will show you how to use the ESP32 to scan nearby Wi-Fi networks and display their details. This is the code we are using. Let me explain it in a simple way. First, we include the Wi-Fi library. This allows the ESP32 to use Wi-Fi features like scanning networks. This is the setup function. It runs only once when the ESP32 starts. We start the serial monitor so we can see messages on the computer. Then we set the ESP32 to station mode, which means it will search for Wi-Fi networks instead of creating one. This is the loop function. It runs continuously so that the ESP32 keeps scanning. This line 2, here the ESP32 scans for nearby Wi-Fi networks. The result is stored in a variable called n, which tells us how many networks were found. If no networks are found, it displays these messages. Okay, no network found. Okay, so if no networks are found, this is the message that you are going to see. Okay, next one, if networks are found, the ESP32 goes through each one using this loop. For each network, it shows the network name first, then it shows signal strength. The signal is measured in dBm. These values are negative numbers. The closer the value is to 0, the stronger the signal is. So for example, 30 minutes is very strong, 60 is good, but then 80 is weak. It also checks whether the network is open or secure. Open means no password, okay? And then secure means it has a password on it. This small delay helps the ESP32 move smoothly to the next network. Okay. This line here print a separate result so that it's easy to read. This clears the previous scan results from the memory. Okay, so it clears the previous ones. Okay. This makes the ESP32 wait for 5 seconds before scanning again. So now let's upload the code and open the serial monitor and see what is there. Here you can see all Wi-Fi networks, their signal strength, and whether they are open or secure. So right now, the network that we are having right now is the Flamewell Electronics, and then the Flamewell Electronics, so you can see it's secure. So it means that there's a password on it. Okay. So thank you for watching. See you in the next video.